ChoiceRefill compatible with Diaper Genie Pails, 4-pack, by ChoiceRefill is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. ChoiceRefill is dedicated to offer you affordable diaper pail refills with great quality. Each refill holds 270 newborn baby diapers. 4 packs of ChoiceRefill can last 4-6 months. Compatible with all Diaper Genie Pail System, Diaper Genie Expression, Diaper Genie Complete, Diaper Genie II Elite, Diaper Genie II, Diaper Genie Essentials and Mini. Guarantee odor control. The manufacturer understands that the odor control is the first consideration when you choose a diaper pail refill. The manufacturer's enhanced 7-layer smell block technology helps blocking the smell to keep your home fresh. Cost saving. You may think that the lower price is a trade-off quality, but the manufacturer are able to cut the cost and bring the benefit to you by eliminating all the distributors in the middle. Zero risk to try. The manufacturer are so confident on the quality of the manufacturer's product that the manufacturer extend the free return time to 90 days. If you are not absolutely satisfied with the manufacturer's product for any reason in the 90 days, the manufacturer will refund 100% your money. Your satisfaction is guaranteed.